Hey out there in YouTube video land, this is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage. Today is June 19th, 2025. We have not been around for a while because a lot of stuff has been done. What we're doing at the moment is, as you can see, the rear end has been removed from the rear housing because we've had a continuous leak, and the leak was probably due to the fact that this bottom stud, the threads were bunged up and the nut didn't have enough good threads to catch on to tighten it. So this one was never tightened as much. Strategically being on the bottom is not good either. So what we're doing is, Lou is cleaning all the surfaces with acetone, and we've opened up a tube of old black RTV from Elderbrook, hoping it's good. It seems to be okay. So what we're going to do is, now that we've chased the threads, we're going to put a different nut, a nylock nut on, which has less space for the threads to catch. It'll put it in deeper, and the nylock will help lock it. So that's what we're doing. Catch you later. Gonna pause here.
Okay, so.
All right, so all the surfaces clean?
Yeah.
Hi, back, same day. Well, if you look under there, we've got the third member back into the rear end. However, there's a basic problem that we weren't able to totally overcome, and that is that the bottom stud on the rear end housing, which was a problem initially, in fact, all of the studs do not protrude enough through the thickness of the flange of the third member. And if you look here, you can see how thick the casting is. The threads barely stick through, and it would be very easy to actually, in tightening that shiny nuts that go around, for it to strip. So the bottom piece, the starting threads were bad, and you can only catch about 2 or 3 threads of a 3/8 24, so we can't even get a nut on it without messing around. And if we had known, we probably would have ground some of the casting away to make the bottom nut fit. But anyway, what we did is we cleaned everything with acetone, and we took the original gasket and cleaned it and thoroughly coated both sides of the gasket, the rear end, the third member, the housing, with black RTV. Now, it's been sitting there for, what, half hour, Lou?
Yeah, it's
been there a half hour. There's no oil that's in the rear end. We put oil back in, and it's not leaking yet. So maybe the gasket trick with the RTV will take care of it. And maybe later, when we have time, we could pull the housing out and grind away and make more room for a longer bolt. The studs, by the way, are pressed in from the inside of the rear end housing, which means they're special studs, and you just can't. You could probably knock them out, but you'd have to find the same stud. It'd be a real pain in the ass to get it in. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I don't know what, I know it's June 19th, but whatever. I think I'll just put this in the can and wait for a little bit later to put out another video. We haven't done much, again, as I said, with videos, because we're kind of pretty much caught up on everything. Oh yeah, Lou, you contacted that hot rod shop?
Yeah, I talked to the Riggs shop, and he is so tied up right now. He must have one hell of a business going for him, and right now he was telling me when I talked to him that they have no room to store
vehicles.
A vehicle. And
what we were going to...
Yeah, just for,
what, have him
to have him make me a hood.
Have him roll out an aluminum hood.
And so...
With louvers, right?
Right, and so he said to keep in touch with them, and as soon as they get a spot open, just drive this baby over there and have him make me a half hood,
Okay.
And have louvers put in it and stuff. So yeah,
Alright.
that's the way to go, I guess.
So that's about it.
Yeah, so that'd be it for right
And we're into the Texas summer.
now. Yeah.
Right.
Need air condition that thing now.
Yeah. Okay. All right, well, I'm going to end this here. Catch y'all later. Take care out there. Keep your powder dry. Bye-bye.